Hey guys, in this video we will be talking about jobs that AI will never replace. 15 jobs that will never be replaced by AI. Will AI replace all our jobs future, or will it help us to be better at our jobs? Artificial intelligence AI is becoming smarter and more efficient than a human. Therefore, many jobs are going to be automated and replaced by AI in the near future. Robots are really smart and have a low margin for error compared to humans. They can do many things better than humans. That is why so many jobs are being taken by machines. Machines are not only cheaper, but they are less trouble also as well. They would not ask for a rise or slack around, and they would work 24 by 7 non-stop with no complaining. However, AI never will never be able to replace all human jobs, but they will help employee to be better at some jobs which cannot be fully automated. There are two reasons why they cannot be fully automated. The first reason is the limitation of AI, and the second reason is people don't practically accept robots for some professions because of the risks involved in AI. Therefore, some jobs will not be replaced because it is impossible to program everything man gets from nature into a machine, and some jobs will not be replaced because people prefer and trust humans over machines for those jobs. What jobs will never be replaced by AI? Jobs that intrinsically require the person to be a real human, not just if it can replicate all the five senses of a human being and has the same or better cognitive and mental abilities as a human being and appear exactly human. In other words, any job that requires the human brain and art will never be replaced. uh, Humans are part of nature. AI is something not natural from the definition, so AI can never replace our real humans. However, robots can replace everything which has a reputation of tasks because they can be programmed to do so. When it comes to humans, they have the power of thinking which can never be programmed into a robot. Even to create a robot, you have to think first. Robots can never have this amazing power of thinking and creativity. We people have. Therefore, some jobs can never be fully automated. Here is a list of 15 jobs that are unlikely to be replaced by a machine. They can all be assisted by AI in some way, but not completely replaced. Resources manager. AI can basically help too much job candidates with a certain job. Interpret how candidates may work and get decisions, but in some cases an applicant can look great only on paper and still not work out. In this case, AI would simply help you get the wrong candidates for the job faster. It's very hard to automate a human management and development. They have to help employees and solve work conflicts. So human resource managers should have good interpersonal and reasoning skills to understand fellow humans better and think outside the box. Therefore, the human resources manager should be a human at the helm to manage interpersonal conflict with the help of non cognitive and reasoning. skills which cannot be programmed into robots, so robots will never be able to truly replace human resources manager, but AI will become an increasing presence that will help human resources manager, computer system analysts. The computer system analyst is a computer release job which is among those least threatened by AI. In fact, the more our economy relies on automation, there is a demand for computer system analysts who can implement and manage those systems. Computer system analysts have to work in collaboration with other to review computer system capabilities, workflow and scheduling limitation review computer system capabilities, improve or automate exiting systems, and analyze user problem procedure and requirements, so that would make it near impossible for robots to perform. Teachers there are already a number of teaching aids available in school and college, no matter how sophisticated these teaching tools and ads are. The rule of the teacher is very crucial. They are real humans with values who include a sense of belonging and ensure that wisdom is passed on. We all have access to a lot of knowledge, but wisdom is the most difficult to obtain. It is easier to assimilate let the knowledge when someone teaches, and we always need someone to provide instruction and answer questions. Although basic teaching can be handled by boots people before prefer human instructions in teaching. That is where the job of the a teacher becomes significant. Robots cannot provide that sportman. It would not much fun to watch robots playing baseball. The idea of a gymnast is kind of pointless to being an athlete. Essentially, it requires you to be human. That's what makes sports fun to watch, challenging to play, and generally worthwhile. Sports are all about what can or cannot be achieved by the human body, which robots don't have. Judge and lawyers, their jobs are mainly based on strategy, case analysis, and negotiations. Subjective knowledge and point and opinion based result are vital in their role. Therefore, the legal system needs people who can make sense of complex laws and argue and lays and argue on uh, behalf of their client, uh, which cannot be achieved from a report. All right, guys, that's no for today. I will be seeing you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe. Have a nice day ahead. Allah Hafiz.